I live in the RiftValleyChildren'sVillage. I live in Rubondo house, and there are 12 girls who live with me. We live together all. It's like a family.
Mostly a child needs someone to look after him or her, someone loving her. We find it here.
Our goal was simple, to create a loving home and family for children that had been orphaned and left behind.
We started small, 13 kids, and then we grew up with those kids. So we started learning about their needs, what is really required to make kids feel like they're all brothers and sisters growing together. In each kid's houses, there are 2 mamas. They take care of everything. They are moms. So every single house has a unique dynamic, and they treat themselves as one family.
Our children are not up for adoption. Adoption is so rare in this country, and the children coming here have already experienced rejection. I wanted my kids to grow up knowing that they were loved unconditionally and part of a family that lasts their whole life. Peter and I see these kids, treat these kids, address all the issues as if they are our children.
Mama Indy is kind, and she's good on everything.
She's the mama of this village. We work together for the community. It is not like American just jumped here and they are working for us. No, we are working together.
When we first started, we soon realized that the only way to stem the tide that brought these kids to us was to start to address the many factors that cause generational poverty. Access to health care, access to a solid education, access to economic opportunity for adults. All of these pieces are interconnected.
Education in this country, it says it all. We wanted our kids to grow up to be good citizens in the future. So we went into partnership with the government. They gave us a local primary school, which was falling apart. We rebuilt the school from the scratch. Classrooms, desks, textbooks, hired teachers. This school transformed. And it moved to become a #1 primary school in the district. And all the kids who are passing their national exams. This is not only our kids. We are talking about 480 kids. That includes kids who are coming from within our village. So it became a win-win situation. Now all the students in the primary school, they are passing to go to secondary school. So we started negotiation with the local government to take over Oldiani Secondary School. And the changes are huge. The school has become #1 government secondary school, and #3 in the overall. We've already started building classrooms and the lab. That's going to be a huge project now. This secondary school is not only for the kids from here. It's the kids that are coming from the whole of Oldiani village. So the community, the entire village is going to benefit for that. The other problem that we had to solve immediately, and this was even before education, is addressing the health issue.
So many of my kids were orphaned because their mother died in childbirth or shortly thereafter, just for lack of access to health care.
So here comes a medical program. We provide free medical care by our local nurse.
We partnered with Fame Medical. We helped them get a piece of land. Today they have a 25-bed hospital, a fully operational outpatient clinic so that everyone in the area can get the health care they need.
We are talking about 200 to 300 plus people every month. So now the community is healthy, the village is healthy, the school kids are healthy because they are well taken care of. And even frequent deaths that we used to experience from very simple disease is gone. And that means if parents don't die, that means less orphans, and that's what we want to see. If you want your project to be sustainable, it has to have an economic component.
We decided to start the microfinance program because helping an adult woman get on her feet economically is probably one of the best things you can do. Today we have about 500 active clients that are running small businesses, and some of them grow each year.
It has actually brought back respect at the family level. Nowadays, women are actually becoming government leaders. Family violence has gone down. Child abuse has gone down. Women abuse has gone down. The divorce rate has gone down. And that's what you want to see happening. And this is just because of the simple microfinance program.
Over the years, we have developed each of these very different programs, but very much interconnected programs. And where we go from here is to continue to refine those as the needs of the area change. With each success, we have proven again and again to the local government officials that we don't have a hidden agenda. We really just want to help. Our need for ongoing support is because there is no quick fix for poverty. And I think we are demonstrating here that it's a long-term problem with a long-term fix.
This is home for these kids, okay? They come here. We give them a lot of love and care. And the volunteers that come here, they really come here because they want to provide this love and care, and they do give it out. So kids feel like they're the center of attention for everything. So that being the case, this is home.
We really have love for this place since that's where we grew up. It's really a nice, good thing. And maybe one day we will come back to visit here as a home, maybe to be a volunteer, to just support the kids here.
Sometimes I feel like I want to be a teacher, but sometimes I feel like I just want to be a member of parliament.
What we're after is about transforming lives. And no one person can do that. It's a collective effort. Whether it's through financial support or moral support or coming here hands-on, it's all of us collectively working together that transforms not only one life, but many lives and ultimately a community.